For the crab ragoon, we are going to chill the cream cheese mixture, make some sauce, and then prep and fry crab ragoon itself. 1 package cream cheese. We're going to let that soften. I'm using imitation crab. If you want to use real crab, go ahead, but that shit can get expensive, so tiny diced. Get a teaspoon of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, and you could add a quarter of a teaspoon of MSG, but I'm not gonna. Let's mix that up. Mix in the crab. More gourmet and professional. Tiny bit of white pepper, garlic powder. Green onions, you can use a dash of sour cream, you can use soy sauce, well, I'm going to do that. You can do some Worcestershire sauce, chopped red onion, water chestnuts. Well, taste test. See how we're looking. Okay. Oh, you could put that on a cracker, like literally a cracker, and it would be good. Oh. Into the fridge for at least a half hour. 1/4 of a cup of sugar, 1.5 teaspoons cornstarch, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 of a cup of water, 2 tablespoons of white wine vinegar or rice vinegar. Let that come to a simmer boil. Here's where you could add some red dye, or I'm going to add a couple drops of this citrus hot sauce. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but now let it simmer for just a couple of minutes. See how it's kind of slowly gelling, dripping on? That's about right. Ooh! Ooh, that got flavor. There you go. Now I'll take a crab mixture out of the fridge. And my grocery store did not have wonton wrappers. They had egg roll wrappers, which I am going to have to cut down to size. They will be just a tiny bit thicker, but they should work fine. Oh no, those are pretty thin. Those should work. Be careful to spread these out. Do not let them stay on top of each other. Make sure you divide them or separate them from each other when you're laying them down, getting them ready. And after you do, seal them up or cover the remaining amounts with a wet towel. A ball which fits about 1/4 of what your wrapper is, your wonton wrapper, your like me divided up egg roll wrapper. The main part is we're going to have to make sure that there's no air in these and just the cream cheese mixture. No need for an exact measure. Like I said, 1/4. I'm doing 2, but you just need 1. And then whip it. Whip it good into shape. It's not too late. Whip it good. Okay. You can add just a dash of water to that egg wash if you want, but that's essentially all it is. Take your egg wash and then go around the 4 edges of each one of the wontons. You can use just water, but egg wash is a much better adhesive and keeps them together. We're going to have to push all the air out of our crab ragoons when we make them so we don't have any air pockets and everything is sealed as good as we can, or else the cream cheese is going to go all over the place. Trust me, you don't want that. More than a few ways to do this, right? More than a few ways to skin a cat. Take this up. Pinch that top. Bring up the other 4 corners. Right? The pyramid shape. Okay? I have a parchment. Second, you can do the triangle ravioli. There we go. Triangle. On the same note, you can bring them around. Like the tortellini noodle kind of thing. Or take them, pinch them, put all four, and then the dumpling ball kind of thing. Or press up here on the sides for the kind of flour thing. Okay, now we're going to take this and we're going to cook this in the cooking oil 350 for about like 4 or 5 minutes, okay? Or we're going to do it in the air fryer, about 350 for about the same 4. You just really want to watch it, okay? And in the air fryer, we are going to lightly oil this surface and the crab ragout itself, okay? A few minutes apiece, just golden brown, watch them, turn them, you know. That's pretty good. I gotta say, the air fryer did a pretty decent job. A little soft on the bottom. The fry, much more golden brown, evenly, not overdone, not over crisp on any area, very crispy all over. Not bad in the air fryer, but I would have to choose that. So now, if you can see down there, we dip. Oh my god. Oh, that sauce is definitely the stuff. Okay.
If you like this video, watch one of my other ones. Hit the subscribe button. I'll see you next time on Randy's Family Kitchen.